I gave you the bacon cocktail.
I guess she likes it. Just not around her neck. Really does make me wonder what she would have been like with reindeer horns. Probably would have taken them off and chewed them up. But yes, she appreciates her little present from Auntie Valentina.